Hey, Zach McDonald here. Let's talk about step number 2 in the home buying process. Step number 2 is meeting with a lender and also getting your mortgage pre-approval. What the lender's going to do is they're going to look at your income, how much you make. They're going to look at your assets, how much you have, and then they're also going to look at your credit and your credit score. What they're trying to do is determine how good of a borrower you are in the bank's eyes. And so the higher your credit score, the more down you put, the more you have saved. All of those are going to affect how much you can get on a loan, and they're also going to affect interest rate, things like that. Now, I'm not a lender, so I'm not going to quote interest rates, and that would date this video anyway, but just as an overview, they're trying to see how qualified you are, and that's what a seller wants to see when they are reviewing an offer from you. So we want to go through this whole pre-approval process up front, where we get your pre-approval letter. The lender will actually review all of your income, assets, and credit, and then actually supply you with a pre-approval letter saying, we will commit to lend money on this. It's not a final commitment, but it's a preliminary commitment based on what they have. And then we give that letter to a seller to show a few things. First of all, that you're a qualified home buyer and that you're also qualified for the specific amount of money that we're talking about. So really important to get your pre-approval. The other thing your pre-approval will actually help with is it helps us determine your home search criteria. And we talked about in the first video that we want to be able to know what neighborhoods you can buy in and to know how much you can afford in each of those neighborhoods. And so getting that pre-approval ironed out helps you know, well, can I actually afford the neighborhood I really want, or do I need to look in a different neighborhood, or do I need to buy a different house in that neighborhood? So all of that is really helpful, and the pre-approval is one of the most important parts of the home buying process as we're getting started.